Hey everyone, Gloria Walker and I am back again with another video. Today, I'm going to share with you Untapped Niche Markets, a 2020 update, okay? Now, if you like this video and you want to continue to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell for instant notifications, alright? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. If you stick around until the end of the video, I'm going to give you the 3 most profitable niches to promote and to sell in this coronavirus economy, okay? So let's get right into this. If you're like me, you have probably struggled with picking a niche. And first of all, I don't want you to feel bad about that because a lot of marketers, small business owners typically struggle with that. Like one of those things like stressing over a business name or stressing over a website name. It's something that in my opinion, I think we stress about it way too much. So hopefully this video will help you overcome that, okay? First of all, what is a niche market? So a niche market is like a subset of the actual market. For example, within the market of women's shoes, a niche market may be like shoes for vegan women or shoes for plus size women. You actually taking the niche itself and you actually niching it down to the smallest target audience. And so just about every niche can be niche down to the smallest user, okay? Okay, so since you did stay to the end of this video, here are your 3 most profitable niches to promote and sell during the coronavirus economy, okay? Niche number 1, home security. Several people during this time, several people are at home or stuck at home, either because they were court ordered to, either through their jobs or through the court, or maybe they've lost their job, or maybe they're temporarily furloughed, or maybe they're home quarantine, okay? And so you'll have that opportunity to do well in that particular niche market. You have different angles in which to go about that. You have like home monitoring services, you have lighting systems that you could promote, alarm systems. I mean, the list is endless. You may be an actual user of a home system. You can actually market a product that you have right now in your home. That product may be coming out with a new patch, maybe a newer version of what you're using. So you can actually do a review on that particular product, or you can actually purchase a brand new product and do an open box review. So there's different ways in which you can do that. Niche number 2, the dating and relationships niche market is considered an evergreen niche where that niche never ever goes out of style. You can market and sell that product no matter what time of the year it is. There's never a bad time to promote dating and relationships, even during the coronavirus economy. Now, what makes this a very unique situation is there's plenty of room to stand out because there are different segments of people that you can market to who have never even used online dating apps. And then you also have people who never even used the internet before. And so you have a broader audience to sell to. The key to being successful in the dating and relationships niche market is once you narrow it down to who you want your target to be, you need to stay focused on that particular market. For example, you can target your audience to first responders or seniors or nurses or the military. The final niche market is communications and streaming, and I put that into just one category. Everyone that's stuck at home is not unemployed. Some people are at home and they're teleworking. Some businesses and some individuals will need products to facilitate communication between themselves and their employer, or themselves and their clients. Business owners may be coaches, may even be designers, web developers, freelancers, who knows, but they may need products in order to facilitate that communication. For example, Zoom products, screencasting products, and also they may need products like headsets, anything to facilitate teleconferencing, anything like that. Streaming products, it could be anything from facilitating entertainment like gaming, products where they can watch movies, think like Netflix, anything that's going to enhance a moving experience. It could be speaker systems, software to connect. I mean, it's endless. Anything that will facilitate a better at-home experience, okay? So look out for my next video, how to make money on YouTube with 0 subscribers, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye for now.